Hey, Brian from Garage Mahal. Today I have the Herbal Zen Cold Kicker, and this is a shower steamer tablet. And basically, it's peppermint and eucalyptus. And what you do is you run a hot shower and you put this tablet in, and it will dissolve and it will release that peppermint and eucalyptus smell. So you can use a whole tablet for a longer shower, or you can use a half of a tablet for a shorter shower. So let me show you how it works, how it dissolves, and I wish I could share how it smells because it is going to smell amazing. So stay tuned.
Okay, so basically open this up. Make sure you have your shower running on hot. So you get it nice and steamy. Since we're going to be doing a quick shower, I'm going to only use half. So basically just toss that in towards the, I guess the front part of your shower, you want to call it. And then you'll see it start dissolving there. And then, man, actually, you just see, you can smell the peppermint and eucalyptus coming out big time. Whew. But as you shower, that will just wear itself down, and then you're good to go. Alright, Brian from Garage Mahal, thanks for watching, and be safe out there.